Alright guys, gonna check out my coronavirus victory garden I got going on here. So I've got a couple of these little biodome things, and I purchased a new grow light. It is a Blackmagic. I think it's a 45-watt light. They're just LEDs. Found that at Home Depot, but I figured it would be good to get some seeds started early. Last couple of years I've just been doing container gardening on the patio, but got a couple plants from last year. They're still hanging in there, and that's basil down there. There was a pepper plant in there, but he kind of kicked the bucket. Got one other pepper plant that's kind of hanging on, and this is a pepper plant too. This is like a Trinidad Scorpion, and this one looks like it's going to come back for next year. Probably need to trim off this stem. And then actually picked up a rosemary at the grocery store. It's because I didn't have much luck starting it from seed. And then I've got all these guys that I just put in today too. And these little Jiffy planters are like $6 or $7, and they come with all the little pellets. So you just fill up the container with water, and then they kind of absorb it, and then you pop seeds in it. So these have a variety of stuff. I mean, I've got beans, some tomatoes, cabbages, peas. I think I put some beets in there. Not really going to remember what all is in there until they start coming up. But yeah, guys, probably a good idea to get a garden going this year if you even if you aren't into it, because it gives you something to do, and B, it might be more important than usual this year. So you can see I've already got some stuff kind of sprouting up, and I got my assistant here. Yeah, she's always a big help. So anyway, guys, yeah, check out some seeds. You can get tons of seeds on Amazon for cheap, and start gardening. So, all right, guys, until next time, talk to you later.